Hey guys, I'm gonna show you tonight how to do the Pioneer Woman's hamburger soup. It's one of my favorite soups. A lot of chopping involved, but don't let that scare you. So check it out. Okay, I'm using 2 pounds of the Laura's Lean ground beef, and I'm just putting that in a little bit of avocado oil. Gonna let that saute. Yeah, so I'm gonna let that saute with some, I have 1 onion. I've got about 2 stalks of celery. I might add another one. That doesn't look like very much. And then I'm gonna add some garlic in there, then followed by a bunch of bell peppers. Okay, so I added 2 large cloves of garlic that I minced. I did add more celery, so I would say there's about 3 stalks of celery. Okay, I added salt and pepper, and I have drained most of the grease out. Now I've got a red, a yellow, and a green bell pepper I'm gonna add. Okay, even more veggies. I added small red potatoes and 4 carrots. And I'm gonna add about 3 cups of beef broth to this. And then I'll add the tomato ingredients. I'm gonna do a can of whole tomatoes and some tomato paste. Okay, so a little more salt and pepper, and then a half a teaspoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of parsley, and a 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm gonna give it a stir. I'm gonna kind of break up those big tomatoes in there and then let it come to a boil, and then I will reduce the heat, put the lid on, and let it simmer for just over an hour. Okay, so it's starting to come to a bit of a boil, so I'm just gonna put the lid on now and reduce the heat. Take this, out down to there, just let it simmer. Okay, it's simmered for over an hour and it is ready to go.